Hey everyone, Marcus here, and today I've got a crucial update on the latest in international trade news. Let's dive right into it. So, Canada just announced some hefty retaliatory tariffs against the United States. This move comes as a direct response to new US tariffs on Canadian lumber. Yeah, it's another chapter in the long-standing trade dispute between these two neighbours. Let's break it down. The US has been claiming that Canadian lumber producers are unfairly subsidized, making it tough for American lumber companies to compete. They argue that this is giving Canada an unfair advantage in the market. On the flip side, Canada firmly denies these claims. They argue that their lumber industry operates fairly and that the US tariffs are nothing more than protectionist measures. Now, what exactly are these retaliatory measures from Canada? Well, they've slapped tariffs on a range of US goods. While the specifics are still unfolding, it's clear that the Canadian government is playing hardball. We're talking about significant economic repercussions here, folks. This isn't the first time we've seen a lumber dispute between these two countries. There's a long history of trade skirmishes over lumber stretching back decades. For example, in the early 2000s, we saw similar disputes that resulted in lengthy negotiations and settlements. It's been a recurring theme in US-Canada trade relations. The economic impact of these tariffs could be substantial. For Canada, it means higher costs on certain US imports, which could trickle down to consumers. For the US, industries relying on Canadian lumber and other affected goods might see increased costs, potentially leading to higher prices for consumers too. But it's not just about economics. This trade dispute could also strain diplomatic relations between the two countries. Both governments have traded strong words, with Canada calling out the US for what it sees as unjustified measures. Political analysts are keeping a close eye on how this will play out in the broader context of US-Canada relations. So, what's next? Both countries will likely head back to the negotiation table, but it could take time to resolve these tensions. The stakes are high, impacting everything from lumber prices to international diplomacy. That's all I've got for you today. Stay tuned for more updates as this situation evolves. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on the latest news. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.